Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the WORKPRO brand. They're a magnetic socket organizer set. 6-piece socket holder set includes 1/4, 3/8, half-inch drive metric SAE socket trays, holds 141 pieces. You can do with a metric and American, also large capacity magnetic socket organizer set. You could just store all your sockets in here in your drive so that you'd be totally organized. And what's amazing is there's a very powerful magnetic base on here. Avoid putting two of these together because you'll need a crowbar to separate them. And when you fill these up, you can put them on the side of your drawer cabinet. If it's metal, even upside down, it's going to hold them because that magnet is super strong. Very clever idea. And you can see you can fit deep ones and shallow ones on here. Really impressed with the quality of this. The plastics in here, perfectly smooth, no sharp edges, and super strong magnet. And this is incredibly rigid, doesn't bend whatsoever. So I'm impressed with the quality of this. So I'm going to get some of my sockets. I'm going to load some of these up and try and get organized just to demonstrate it, but it's very easy to use. So this magnetic base will secure the sockets even if they're upside down, as I mentioned, because of that strong magnetic base on there. And also the surface of this will not scratch whatever's put on because they made a really good job of making this smooth, and they also put a urethane coating on there. You can see the reflection, and what that's going to do, it's going to allow this to have a strong magnetic field but yet not scratch the surface that it's put on. So this is going to allow you to organize your toolbox and finally get all those sockets in one place so that you can grab them easily when you're doing any kind of a job. So here is an example. I'm not even done yet. I've been going through my cabinets to find what I have, and so I got a lot more to go, but that's the basic concept. I held them there with the magnet. I'm going to show you how this holds on something metal. So here you am. I just want to demonstrate. I'm on my kitchen refrigerator, and it's not even full steel. It's stainless steel mixed with steel, and it's on there so solid, holding them perfectly for you to grab and use. I mean, this is on there like you wouldn't believe magnetically. I mean, I could open this fridge door with this on there. That's how strong it is. And now I have it in my drawer, and look how nice and organized that all is. And I'm still working. I still have more sockets to add to it, but that's going to make my life a lot easier with this product. So after testing, what do I think about the WORKPRO brand, the magnetic socket organizer set? This is a really cool product. Very impressed as I demonstrated, and the high quality of this is amazing. Totally rigid, reflective bottom because they put a urethane coating, will not scratch, bolted in multiple places, all smooth edges on there. Gives you the opportunity to organize your driver sockets, whether they're metric or English. I love this product. I'm impressed with the quality. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.